Guys, on today's video I'm just going to go through my fire kit, everything I keep in here. I always keep a full fire kit in my bag. I'm going to go ahead and do the fire kit and the medical kit, but that'll be in a separate video. I was going to try to go through the entire bag, but to go through both of these kits and the bag, it would be an hour-long video, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to bring you in close, guys. We're going to go through the fire kit. And like I said, I'm going to do my medical kit at a later date. And I'll put a link to it at the end of the video once I get that video put up. I'm going to go ahead and bring you in close today, guys. We're going to open this thing up. I'm going to go through each thing and why I keep each thing in there. Alright, guys. Y'all don't want to look at my ugly mug all day, so I'm just going to leave you just like that. And I'm going to pull out everything in this pack. Like I said, there's a full fire kit. I always keep this in my bag. First thing, guys, I always keep a good fire steel. I keep this one hooked in just because I don't want to lose that. That's pretty important. And you don't want your main fire starter in really bad conditions to come out. So I just keep it hooked onto this little clip and then put it all down in the pack behind it. Next thing, guys, I always keep a good multi-tool in here. This is a high carbon steel multi-tool. But what I like to do is I like to use this here as the striker for my fire rod. But got all your basic capabilities. I really like multi-tools. I keep one on me at all time. It's a Leatherman Wingman. But this one is not good for a striker. But this one is. So I always keep that one in this pack. Then guys, a couple of basic Bic lighters. Great. But if they get wet, you can dry them out, but it takes a while. And if you need a fire right now, you're going to want something else. So that's where your fire stick always comes in. These here, it's got some storm-proof matches. I got about 15 of them packed in here. Nothing too crazy. And that will help to keep them dry. And them are the storm-proof matches, so they work pretty good there. And here, guys, I just got this is a juke rope. It actually came with the bushcraft fire rod. I tried it out in another video, and it really worked good. I cut like a 1/2 inch piece off of this and was able to get it going pretty quick. A lot of this stuff here, guys, you see in pretty much everybody's fire kits. Same with the matches. I keep a couple of just regular books of matches in here. Actually, I got 3 of them in this on this side. And then over here, guys, this is something. This is pre-shaved magnesium. This is nice if you got to get a fire going quickly and you don't want to try to be shaving magnesium off of this. You can just put a little bit of this out. It does take a little bit more to get this magnesium going than it does this, but it will light up good. And there's a pretty good amount in this little bag, so you can make quite a bit of fire with that. Then it's simple, little Vaseline and cotton balls. Great fire starter. Like I said, I made another video about this rod and had some trouble getting it going with the wet tinder that I had that day, and I used one of these in the video and it fire dried up great. Guys, that's basically everything I keep in that little pouch, but this little pouch keeps it in there. It's nothing fancy. I'll put a link to this. It is an affiliate link, but it's not a Maxpedition pouch. This one costs like 10 bucks. Maxpedition makes a good little pouch just like this, but they are kind of expensive for just a little pouch. So if you want something a little more budget friendly, this one's about 10 bucks and it works good. It's pretty heavy duty. It's not quite as good as the Maxpeditions, but it does get the job done. And like I said, you can keep a lot of gear in this. But guys, that's basically my entire fire kit right there. That's everything I need. That gives me 4 different ways to start a fire, 3 different tinder options if you include the magnesium. Alright, guys, I'm going to call it quits for this video. That's about all I got for this one. It's always good to be prepared, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I got a lot more videos coming up. My medical kit. I want to go through it, everything I keep in there. some things some people might not have thought about. Some things are just the basics, just like this, guys. Like I said, like, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if there's something that you think I should keep in my fire kit, or if there's something that you keep in yours. Help me out, help the channel out, guys. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description for the pouch. It's nothing fancy. It's an Amazon affiliate link. I do get like 10 cents or something if you buy one. I'm not real worried about it if you don't, because there's plenty of options out there than just buying this one pouch. I'll put a link to this bushcraft survival rod. It's about 30 bucks on Amazon. Like I said, guys, I don't care if you use the links or not. I mean, if you want to help out the channel, sure, go for it. But if you can find any of these two things cheaper somewhere else, just buy it there. I don't. Like I said, I don't make any money off this channel. So if you use the links, it gives me 10 cents or something, guys. It's not a big deal to me. I don't do this for the money. Just trying to get some information out there to people. Might help somebody out someday. With that, guys, y'all have a good day.